In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at creating parental links in Class Notebook, so parents can view the class content library and their child's workbook section, all from within your class notebook. To enable parental links, we need to manage the notebook. Go to the Office 365 dashboard and select the Class Notebook app, and from here select Manage Notebooks. Choose the class notebook you want to create the parental links for, and then select Parent and Guardian Links. We're now ready to generate the links to either the content library or the student notebook. Select the Content Library option and then copy the link to the clipboard. This can then be pasted into an email or text and sent to parents. To create the links to the student workspaces, select Student Notebooks and then either an individual student or all students. I'll select all students and then Get Links. You can then either copy each link in turn to the clipboard or export the links as a CSV file. From the CSV file, you can copy each individual link for a given student for sending to the corresponding parent. If you have any errors when trying to create the links, ask your IT admin to check the external sharing settings in the corresponding SharePoint site. Giving access to parents to your class notebook content library and student workspaces can support with catch-up and recovery as well as the parental engagement agenda.